continue to keep tabs on the severe weather that is popping left and right through now the UP of Michigan, back through portions of Wisconsin, Minnesota, and even Nebraska. Seeing a lot of severe storms fire up along a frontal boundary, even at this late hour. Thank you for joining us here at Storm Watch. I'm Bob Child. Let's take a look at the national map, and it is that frontal boundary, those couple of red L's, the low pressure systems up around the western Great Lakes. Those will be lifting up into Canada, and as they do so, dragging with it this cold front that is a demarcation line between not only warmer, moist air and drier, but cooler air as well. So now we do see a good temperature difference, about 25 degrees on one side of the front, and then behind it by about 100 miles. But along this front, very strong winds, severe weather, tornado watch box still up for a large part of Wisconsin, pushing into the UP of Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch box, a new one just now added for Iowa, heading into southern portions of Wisconsin. The tornado warning that had pushed in the UP of Michigan was quickly dismantled. That storm moving across the surface at 55 knots. These storms, some of them have tops of 50,000 feet, 55,000 feet, very formidable. So in the northern portion, we're worrying about a bit, when I say a bit of a rotation, I mean along the front going up over the low, so we get a bit of divergence in wind directions. Coming down the front, we start getting into the straight line type of problem, not that the cells are rotating, but they're working in concert, moving, so they have straight line winds of 60, 70 miles an hour. Even wouldn't surprise me to see some greater reports, especially with the lateral speed that these storms are moving across the surface. So, I'm going to start moving in with radars. We're going to look at Minneapolis, St. Paul, and watch everything firing out to the east. We've been talking about it all night because of the counties that have just seen repeated poundings. Has to be Sawyer and Price counties, and the concern is now these almost start to look like they're coalescing into a line as opposed to being individual cells. Not uncommon to see supercells get together and form a bow echo. The bow echoes by their own right are very damaging in and of themselves, and this is not a bowing echo, but this is straight line, and this line right, I'll tell you right now, putting out some damaging winds coming out of it. We're just now starting to get the severe weather reports, and by tomorrow morning certainly get a better feel for it. But these are all very strong, any number of severe thunderstorm warnings, and again the big threat from this arrangement is straight line winds, and it sounds like a tornado, no doubt about that. Even in southeastern Nebraska, looking at some storms firing up along that front, and they are tenacious indeed, and all pushing off to the south, starting to spin around. And Paul Emmick will be up next and let you know if there's going to be any chance for those tornadoes continuing. They're certainly watching for those, especially as they come off the wires. Had seen some rain earlier in Florida, just to give you a taste of other concerns around the country, but that has died down with the setting of the sun. Still some light rainfall holding on in portions of Florida, the thunderstorms having moved off the shore south of Daytona Beach. But the chance for that convection tomorrow certainly is going to be there. But the best chance for the storms will be continuing all through tonight and be a problem through the upper portions of the Midwest. Let's take a quick look at the tropical update, and for all the news I've been telling you about the Midwest, you'll like to know that while this is a big source of origin from the Gulf of Mexico and heading into the western Caribbean, that in fact right now it's very quiet. Oh, there's some areas of thunderstorms that we look at, but that's about it. The Caribbean is quiet. The Atlantic is quiet. This is all down in the intertropical convergence zone. Late in the season, we'll see them come off the Cape Verde Islands and get those disturbances up at a 20-degree latitude so that the Coriolis force can take effect and start spinning those areas. But not a problem now, and even the Pacific is quiet. So in terms of tropical update, all is quiet, but not in the contiguous United States. Again, stay tuned for Paul Emmick.
If you're concerned about higher utility bills, remember, there's a solution within reach. A beautiful Hunter ceiling fan can cut your summer cooling costs by up to 40%. Hunter, saving money never looked so good. It's our quietest, most powerful motor ever, designed to help you save up to 40% on summer cooling bills. The patented Air Max motor, only in Hunter ceiling fans. Hunter, quiet for life.
notice how many Tums you have around because your heartburn keeps coming back? There's a neater idea. New Pepsid Complete. It works as fast as Tums, but lasts 7 times longer, all in a chewable tablet. New Pepsid Complete. Just one, and heartburn's done. For a free sample, call 1-800-4PEPSID or visit our website at PepsidComplete.com.
Are you one of the millions of American males who would like increased sexual energy? If you've been considering Viagra as a solution, consider something different. All-natural Enerx. Clinical studies show various ingredients of Enerx enhance sexual energy, increasing desire, performance, and satisfaction. Enerx is all-natural with no side effects. With Enerx, you'll feel the increased energy within minutes and with no chemicals. We're so sure you and your mate will be completely satisfied. We'll offer you a 30-day, no questions asked, full refund. Enerx stimulates sexual energy by expanding the blood vessels, causing increased blood flow to specific areas of the body. Unleash the power of Enerx now.
Call 1-800-619-7247 toll-free, and it will be delivered discreetly to your home. Get results using the safe, all-natural alternative, Enerx.
Live by it. The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station.
It's easy to access weather.com on America Online. Just enter keyword weather or point and click. It's so simple you can quickly check the weather online and still have plenty of time left over to get outside and enjoy it. Weather.com on America Online. Keyword weather.
Where to go when you want to be safe. Weather.com. Live by it.
Right now, it's your local forecast on the Weather Channel.
Welcome to Weather Center here at the Weather Channel. I'm Paul Emmick. Together we'll take a look at a lot of active weather going on across the U.S. We'll take a look at a very stormy night, even to parts of Michigan. Let's begin. Take a look across the U.S. We do see a few concerns across the U.S., mostly in the Midwest. Now, parts of upstate New York might see a shower or two, but really the worst of the weather happens to be across the Midwest. Still looking at a number of areas with very, very active weather and the chance of severe weather. A tornado watch remains in effect across parts of Wisconsin into a bit of Michigan. Also a severe thunderstorm watch. Parts of Illinois, Wisconsin, even across Iowa, and a portion of Missouri, and a little bit of Nebraska, too. Severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and around these particular areas. I looked a moment ago and no tornado warnings in effect, but there is indeed the chance of additional severe weather. Pretty powerful line of storms, some in the UP of Michigan, others across Wisconsin, and of course moving into Illinois. We'll take a look at that coming up in just a few moments. The beginning of the look at the western U.S., a little bit breezy across, well, portions of the northern parts of California, a little windy for us at times. As far as wet weather, not a lot of that to go around. Of course, all the fire problems, we could use the rain in southern Cal, but not really expecting any in the short term. Northwest might get a little wet relief. As far as right now, showers across Montana, a few into Colorado. Ought to see more of a light drizzle at times. Honestly, just a few areas, the little light drizzle here and there, including some that are around Denver. Amounts of precip that could add up, nothing that much, maybe a tenth of an inch or so across portions of Montana. Quick look at the temperatures now, 91 to Denver. Another hot day toward Phoenix at 108, 105 to Vegas. About 84 to L.A. We saw a very warm day here. 75 to San Diego and 67 Northwest, a little cooler. As far as the temperatures go, 113 to Palm Springs, 70 toward Santa Barbara. Also looking at some additional areas of, well, warmth, too, across central parts of California as well. Pretty warm day, 97 to Sacramento, 82 to San Francisco, and 76 around Blue Canyon. 67 for Seattle, as we mentioned, and 74 toward Portland. A little cooling tonight, not around Troutdale or Hillsboro. We're down, but still in the 60s. 60 toward Spokane, around 76 for Reno, 66 to Blue Canyon, and now 63 degrees around San Francisco. As far as the downtown temperature goes, that's where we are, but a little warmer San Jose and still in the 70s around Napa as well. 99 to Palm Springs, almost the triple digits at this hour of the night. 67 for the Civic Center and 68 towards San Diego. As far as specifics, around Anaheim at 70. Also 76 now around Burbank. Take a look at some quake information here. A few will have specifics at the bottom of the hour. No specifics available on these, but still a couple there in southern parts of California, around a 2 in that range. Reporting not much across parts of northern California. In the northwest, reporting 1 into Oregon and also into Alaska. Several reports. We'll have that again coming up for you at the bottom of the hour. Across the western U.S., very quiet time still for us. We're not looking at a lot of active weather. A little windier for the afternoon and plenty of warmth we'll hold on to. Now, eventually, we'll get the chance of some rainfall in the northwest. We'll take a look at that about some 10 minutes away, about 8, 9 minutes away, actually. We'll take a look at that with the weekly planner. Discuss our wet weather opportunities on the way. Seattle and Portland, kind of a heads up toward the wet weather prospects. Some clouds for the morning in southern Cal. We'll kind of push those back toward the beaches. Another warm day downtown, man. A little better day, a little breezier at times on Venice Beach or Santa Monica Pier. 71 to San Diego, about 71 to Santa Barbara. Nice start for the Bay and a nice finish to our day by the Bay, about 75. Still a bit warm. On the state capital, about 101, so that's going to be a problem. Of course, with the temperatures rising, energy consumption goes up, and we wind up with more rolling blackout problems like we've been dealing with today. So still, the chance of big-time warmth will mean additional concerns with our power, of course. In the northwest, a few clouds hang on, but otherwise a fine day. Fairly warm around Seattle and in toward Portland. Here's the current weather. We talked about a few areas of a few showers in the west. May see a little drizzle a bit longer around Denver and parts of northeastern Colorado. Northeast pretty quiet, pretty stormy across the Midwest, and a few areas of wet weather, just a few showers into Florida. But for the most part, the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, most of the Southland, high pressure, nice big dome of stability. Gives you a very tranquil night, very tranquil. Down D.C., very nice. Philadelphia, New York City, Boston, Hartford, and Providence, very, very quiet toward Pittsburgh and even in toward Cleveland. A few stormy spots of note, but nothing in the Northeast just yet. Fine at night, very, very quiet. As far as precipitation, even the radar vantage point showing very little. May get a few sprinkles into upstate, but not a great deal of accumulation really expected. As far as the temperatures now, around Boston, about 74. Same goes for the city, 75 to Philly, 74 to D.C., and 75. Still a very mild night around Cleveland. It's a little on the wild side still. Parts of the Midwest, another day of storms, slow-moving system. You apply a lifter to this very sticky air mass where we have sufficient lift, enough moisture, and enough instability. That severe weather can indeed be a problem, and it has been, so that chance will linger. A little bit wet north of Detroit, but just a bit to the west, that's where the real action has been. Parts of the UP, it's been stormy around Marquette for a while. Still in parts of northern Wisconsin and in the UP. We do have a tornado watch in effect, meaning tornadoes are indeed a possibility in and around this particular watch area. Severe thunderstorm watch, Wisconsin, Illinois, across parts of Iowa, into a bit of Missouri as well as Nebraska. If you live in these areas, the prime risk here could be from some very strong winds and also the chance of very large hail. Across Marquette, mentioned some storms pushing through now. A little wet in parts of Michigan, but not that big of an ordeal. But big storms continue to be the big story across portions of Wisconsin. You can even see in the UP, but north of Marquette, that's where the strongest cell is. And moving on toward the east, also a little bit to the south of Ironwood, still quite stormy. Across northern parts of Wisconsin, even toward Wausau, could see a little soaking rain here in the short term. Quiet toward the Twin Cities. Most of the action continues to be across Wisconsin and across Iowa. A few storms kind of lining up in toward Cedar Rapids in the short term. Watch this line pushing our direction. We'll see some sizable storms. Could see some gusty winds and the chance of hail. Of course, a lot of heavy rain, too, with some of these cells coming in toward Dubuque, eventually western Illinois, southward Des Moines. We've pushed pretty much the worst of the line on through here. A good riddance, maybe, to push it on. Still a bit stormy into some central parts of Kansas as well. Now, with some of these cells, the amounts of rain they dump could be substantial. Could pick up well in excess of an inch. Across the UP, across Wisconsin, a bit of Minnesota and a bit of Iowa especially might really pile it on with that line of storms moving ever so slowly. Temperatures are still warm, 83 tonight in Chicago. We're in the 70s, mid-70s around Indy, and also 70 toward Minneapolis, St. Paul. Across the southern U.S., not a lot happening except for parts of Florida. Still quite rainy at times. Not much in toward Tampa, but on occasion in parts of north central Florida, we've seen some rain, a few sprinkles in South Florida. Nothing that monumental. Maybe on the Space Coast, may pick up a sprinkle or two tonight toward Daytona Beach, even northward Jacksonville. Might see some rain around driving Interstate 95 or taking the bypass around town there. You might pick up maybe a tenth of an inch, maybe just a little more in some spots. Temperatures now quite warm, still 81 to Miami, 75 toward Atlanta, and a mild 79 tonight into Dallas, Texas. That's a big picture of precip. Of course, you talked about our severe weather concerns across the Midwest. That will still be an issue into the morning, too. Big-time wind across parts of Michigan. Eventually, even Detroit could see some stormy weather. Kansas City might be active. Also, Iowa for a while. Scattered showers across parts of Florida. But again, along and ahead of that front, that's where the big storms will be, kicking up throughout the day, even toward Cleveland, Indianapolis, West Kentucky, like toward Owensboro, even Lexington, Louisville. Might see some stormy weather on and toward the evening. Amounts of precip between now and mid-morning heaviest. We see that dark green, including Wisconsin. A lot of cool air behind that front, even for the daytime. But the big-time heat is still with us in the southwest. Temperatures for the day looking good, though, throughout the Northeast. Boston, New York City, Philly, D.C., great. Southland, just scattered storms, otherwise fine. Toward Dallas and then toward Houston. A few areas a bit stormy still across the Midwest, including Kansas City. And for the west, very, very quiet, maybe a stray shower in toward Denver. Talk about the details of your week next. Stay tuned.
The stock market. A year ago, it was how high is high. Now everyone's asking where's the bottom. Janice has gotten through tough times the same way we've gotten ahead, picking stocks one at a time, looking for opportunities for over 30 years. Janice is looking right now to be in the right place when a downturn turns into a better day. Get there. Janice Mutual Funds.
Turbo. You may even have 227 horses. But if you don't have the control of Subaru all-wheel drive, you can't touch this. The Subaru WRX, here at last. That's the beauty of Subaru all-wheel drive.
Test drive the beauty of all-wheel drive at a Subaru dealer near you.
There's a better way to watch your energy use and stay cool. The Trane XL 1800, the most energy-efficient air conditioner you can buy. It's hard to stop a Trane.
See your yellow pages for the Trane dealer nearest you.
Right now, it's your local forecast on the Weather Channel.
Let's take a look now at a week's worth of weather with a weekly planner on the Weather Channel. We'll kick back and take a look at the next 7 days and see how the weather of those days can play a role in your outdoor plans. As far as what's happening in the short term, a tornado watch remains in effect. Portions of Wisconsin and the UP of Michigan, meaning you have a risk of severe weather, but a prime risk from tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm watch, 2 parts of Wisconsin, a bit of Illinois, across Iowa, also into portions of Missouri and Nebraska. Severe thunderstorm watch means you may encounter maybe an isolated risk of tornadoes, but the prime threat with these will be from some winds in excess of 59 miles per hour. Also hail like 3/4 of an inch or larger. Numerous severe thunderstorm warnings still kind of sprawled out in this region. No tornado warnings as of just a moment ago, but indeed that could change. That's the stormiest spot right now. You can see that line of storms, especially across Iowa, in towards Cedar Rapids next few minutes. A pretty sizable batch of storms about to push through town. Kind of trailing back into a little bit south of Lincoln, Nebraska. A little bit in the way of some storminess still into Kansas. Some cells kind of popping up there. A little drizzle, some light showers off and on around Denver. Otherwise, some rainfall continues across parts of Wisconsin. Few showers, and I do mean just mostly light showers into Florida. But we may see the chance of an isolated storm, kind of a splash and dash situation kicking up for our afternoon on Tuesday. Let's take a look at the mechanism responsible for the active weather the next few days. Big ridge across the northeast. Well, that will work to keep our temperatures up a bit. Eventually, as this trough starts to swing a bit closer, we'll also swing some wetter weather our way, like, well, namely in toward Wednesday. Think of this trough here as a kind of a mechanism of change. That dip, that bit of physics there, keeps the air here spun counterclockwise. That's at low pressure. Winds are pulled into low pressure in the northern hemisphere in a counterclockwise fashion. So that starts to pull on. It will dampen us a bit in New England. Even New York City and Boston, kind of a heads up. Big ridge means the exact opposite. Some tranquil weather, but also some warmth as our warmth gets pulled up a bit. Northwest, this can be a good thing. Now, we may not welcome it toward the weekend if you have outdoor plans. The best part of this is, of course, major rain deficits throughout the west. But the northwest, too, will at least see a chance of a little bit of wet relief on toward the weekend. Let's begin. Here's our day on Tuesday. A few problem spots. Might see some active weather. Toledo, even on toward Detroit, in toward Indy. Also back into parts of Missouri again, even Kansas City, in toward Kansas, also into parts of Oklahoma, kind of along that slow-moving front, that kind of a focusing mechanism for the stormy weather. That's going to be the worst of it. Now, some wet weather kicks our way in the northeast by Wednesday. Rainfall coming into parts of Vermont and New Hampshire. Still wet toward Indy, St. Louis, Kansas City. Scatterstorms across the southern U.S. As far as the rainfall potential, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, on toward New York City, Boston, Hartford, and Providence, even many areas like toward Martha's Vineyard, you could see some rain as well. Notice, though, by afternoon, we could see some of the rain in the northwest. Some may linger into Friday, too. Eastern seaboard, looking at the rainfall, here's the catch. Leaving out Friday, heading toward the Hamptons or toward the Cape, Nantucket, or the Vineyard, too. We're looking at just a few lingering showers into Saturday, but may see a halfway decent day for most of us in the northeast on Saturday. Scatterstorms across the Southland, some into Texas, too. Northwest wet, but wet along the mid-Atlantic, and some rainfall possible into Sunday. Also some rainfall toward Philly and D.C. and Baltimore, even toward Atlanta, and toward Monday, but a few showers hang on for the northwest. Let's look at those temperatures. Remember, I mentioned how the temperatures kind of move up a bit, with that trough kind of wiggling through the Midwest, cooling it off, but pumping up the warmth of our ridge across the west. That will be the deal right at the end of the weekend. We'll take a few days to cool things off just a smidgen in the southwest. Quick look at the overnight lows. Same progression, milder starts to our days across the west. Eventually some slightly cooler air in the Midwest for a day, then that too begins to moderate. Up next, active details on the stormy weather. Stay tuned.